It's Hack Across America, day 5, and guess who I just discovered? This is Leonardo. Hey, it's good to meet you. And just kind of a chance visit, got a email, and I'm now at CERN. Check this out. Oh yes, in fact, that right there is part of the Large Hadron Collider. So let's go in and find ourselves a Higgs Boson. So this is what it looks like on the underground?
Yeah.
How far underground is it?
It's approximately 150 meters.
150 meters. And so what is it filled with?
With helium.
With helium?
Yeah, to cool down. And the pins comes through the pipe. There's 2 holes inside.
Okay.
And the pins of the protons cross in the opposite directions.
And so is there a specific point in the tunnel where they hit each other?
Yeah, exactly in each experiment. One of the 4 main experiments.
So the Juhad Mountains, and that's where the first Jurassic amber was found. So not on some crazy island where some doctor recreates dinosaurs, but right here in Switzerland. Is on the other is France on the other side? So where's France?
Yeah, just in the.
Show me.
Yeah, you can.
Just past the gas station.
Yeah. Just, not this one, but that other one.
The next block over. Yeah. I could literally just walk to France from here.
Yeah.
There's no border, is there?
Yeah, there is a border, but
there is
no one there.
Oh, okay. Might have to just go to France.
We'll go there. The control center is there.
The computing center's there?
No, the control center.
What is that?
It's that control the experiment.
Oh, where they control this?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, well, let's take some more looks.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Maybe there is the first station, the first server, web server.
What is in here?
The first web server.
This is the first web server.
Yeah, there is another one in the control, then the computing center.
Oh my gosh, wait, the first
one.
1989. This is Tim Berners-Lee's server.
Yeah, exactly that.
Oh my god.
You can see the paper and what his boss write up.
And what did he write? He says
vague but interesting.
Vague but
exciting.
Exciting. Before Reddit, before YouTube.
Yeah. How they accelerate the protons over the.
So where is that at the bottom? Is that where we are right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here's the pre-accelerator. There is a linear accelerator to get some energy and then go to the small one, then the bigger one, and then the huge one.
Yeah. And so where are we on this map?
We are here.
Oh, I see. So Atlas, Alice, CMS, and LHCb.
They took at CERN. This is spread around the world for the
transfer rate 11.99 gigabits per second.
This is just for a job.
283,000 running jobs. Yeah. Don't run kill -9. So this is what the simulation looks like when it comes out of the supercomputer?
Yeah, this is what exactly is going on inside the detector, how the subparticle is spread and so on.
Everything started at the moment of the Big Bang, 13.7 billion years ago. the most powerful tool to study the first moments of the universe. The LHC is a circular machine of 27 kilometers circumference that accelerates beams of protons to more than 99.99% of the speed of light and collides them in 4 interaction points. 4 huge detectors take snapshots of each collision up to 600 million per second. In these collisions, energy is transformed into particles, just like in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Will we find the reason why antimatter and matter did not destroy each other completely? Will we understand the primordial state of matter before protons and neutrons formed? Will we find the particles that make up the mysterious dark matter? Will we find the Higgs particle that is responsible for giving mass to all particles? The LHC will bring us closer to an understanding of our universe.
So do they sell the Higgs boson over at the gift shop? Can I get one?
No. But I find him before the announcement. Before.
You found the Higgs boson before they announced it?
Not actually the Higgs boson, but Higgs.
Oh, you found where was Higgs?
Yeah, just lunching at the restaurant.
Oh. Oh, well, Higgs gotta eat.
Yeah.
How long did it take to build? How long did it take to build it?
Over 20 years, actually.
20 years. So if one particle's in this one going this direction, the other particle's in that one going the other direction, where do they meet?
In the interaction points of the experiments.
Oh, so they have them just combine.
Yeah.
I
think they apply some magnetic field to put it together.
Okay.
In the intersection points.
And are the intersection points at Alice and...
Alice, LHCb, CMS, and Atlas.
Okay. CERN is in the Guinness Book of Records, a terabyte of data sent over 10,000 kilometers in under an hour. I don't think they did that with floppy disks. Floppy disks and Volkswagens? What is this?
This represents the amount of data they take in 7 hours of the experiment.
Oh, these are CDs. Yeah. Okay. So let's see, 700 meg, 700 meg, 700 meg.
And there is the amount there.
Okay, so what are these?
This is a 50s experiment.
In the 50s?
Yeah.
It looks...
everything mechanical, not electronic.
I like it. It's like steampunk.
Yeah. This is like a compressor.
Like a so. Oh, okay.
There is a piston there, and there is
That's the piston? That right there?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is massive.
Maybe handmade ones.
Look at all these cards. That's a brute force computing approach.
This is just analog electronic stuff.
So like Pong.
Yeah.
This is kind of romantic. Before supercomputers, you just project the film and draw it by hand. Look at that. Wow. Could you imagine staying late at the lab drawing these? What is that over there?
I really don't know.
Yeah? Crazy space capsule. Oh, I think that's Barbarella's ship.
Sorry?
Barbarella?
Barbarella?
No?
No.
You don't have Barbarella here?
No.
You're missing out. I'll have to send you a link. And so the piston would go all the way up this?
Yeah.
What was it compressing?
I think it's there.
Huh.
Or maybe it's there is another part here, they compressing the other side.
Just, wow. Has a lot of character. I like it. It's a huge what?
Plate, a sign.
Oh.
This corridor.
Where the web was born.
Tudo bom?
So what is the control system?
DAQ, the
DAQ.
control system of DAQ,
What is DAQ?
data acquisition board.
Data acquisition. So you're saying that the data
is
from all the
just
sensors go through these?
Yeah, this is just a validation board that I can test my board.
Oh, I see.
Leonardo? E aí, galera? Valeu. I'm sorry about that.
What is this? Be careful with email and web. Cyber criminals are tricking you. Pineapples? Really?
Yeah, I'm brand made. Like I went 5 months.
At CERN, the pineapples are tricking you. Oh my god.
Legal.
Yeah.
No, but I...
Oh yeah. I know that guy. So this is the test board for this,
Yeah.
and this is the validation unit. So the data from the sensors comes in through here?
Yeah.
Over Ethernet?
No, through these connectors. There is a... It should be a PCI Express
Is
switch here.
BGP?
Yeah, the PCI Express switch.
Okay.
They communicate here and then go to the FPGAs in the other board.
How many FPGAs?
The 4.
4?
Yeah, 4 huge ones.
And so is that part of the upgrade is moving to 4 PGAs?
No, the part of the update is moving for a higher speed.
Higher speed?
Yeah.
So where's the bottleneck? Is it the
The-
CPU or
no,
is it
it's
the transfer?
Internet. The CPU, I have a CPU here, as you can see.
So the network is the real problem.
Yeah, but this is just for the control
Okay.
system. This is a slow speed control.
That's cool.
Yeah. This is a computer, a credit card PC computer.
Ooh.
Yeah, I have.
This is heatsink?
Yeah, I have another one with automated sync here. It's here.
Oh. Oh, I see. So. And so, how many of these power the control unit?
One for each board. There is a 200 board, I think.
Wow.
Will be a 200 boards.
What kind of CPU is this?
This is Atom.
Oh, okay. So it's x86,
760, I think.
but it's just a regular x86 processor.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
This
not
is just
it's not
for the
ARM,
slow
but just for
control.
the local control unit.
Yeah.
Wow.
And fast control system.
Oh wow. That's a board.
Yeah.
Guess clock signals are quite
Yeah,
important.
they took the clock signal from the LHC machine, the 40 megahertz signal, and then spread for all the DAQ boards.
You do it on the first day, you've now got to sit
Oh wow. Look at that acoustic coupler. Pick up the handset, stick it on the suction cups. There we go. Get your 300 baud on. I wanted one of those so bad when I was a kid, so I could use them on payphones. Dial up bulletin board systems from a laptop and a payphone. How rad would that be? I love that. I had that floppy drive, didn't have the Playboy bunny on it, and I had, I think this hard drive was in my XT, or a hard drive that, except it was very thick, so maybe it was a different one.
The cover, maybe.
Wow, 40 meg, yeah, this was a 40 meg. I had a 40 meg hard drive. It's fantastic. There might have been a 20 actually. Whatever it was huge. I could have so many BAS files on it. Look at those puppies hum.
Database servers, mail servers, Android servers.
Where's the Unreal Tournament server?
Sorry? The
Quake 3?
yeah.
Which one runs Quake?
There is a web server there. But we got a problem if we play something here. Maybe it's writing somewhere.
There's one thing about computers. They're hot, so you're gonna have to vent all of that. I'm sure this is temporary. I think I used to do that right there during LAN parties. How do I get that dashboard?
The status of the all experiments.
Hey there, little guys. Hey. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah. You see, this is the CERN animal shelter for the computer mice. As you can see, they've taken up residence here. Look at this one, just kind of hanging out. Hey, little guy. Oh, he's a Logitech. Now we are in France. How wonderful is that? I wish I could say something like "Welcome to France." I know. Bonjour.
Bonjour, bienvenue en France.
Yeah. And that, my friends, is the control center. Yeah. This is exciting. And so this controls what aspect? What experiment?
No, it's for the all of them.
All of them?
For the accelerator, just for the accelerator.
This is the control center for the accelerator. So cool. Oh, battery exhausted.
Yeah. So here's the